Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start with clean, residue-free hair and section naturally without combing aggressively. Use only finger separation to encourage natural partitioning and prevent uniform patterns. Expect initial matting and visible locking within 3 to 9 months, depending on curl pattern and hair density. Wash every 1 to 2 weeks with a sulfate-free shampoo to remove buildup while preserving tangles. Dry thoroughly by blotting and air drying to avoid mildew in dense sections. Avoid heavy creams and waxes that delay locking and attract lint. Palm roll selectively after about 6 months to maintain shape without forcing locks. Use gentle fingertip twisting only, not tight styling, to prevent breakage and thinning. Separate roots gently every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent large conjoins and uneven sections. Trim loose ends every 9 to 12 months to reduce frizz and wait that slow maturation. Sleep on a satin pillowcase or use a satin bonnet nightly to limit friction and lint accumulation. Spot clean with a spray bottle between washes if needed. For slow locking, increase wash frequency to once per week for 2 months to remove buildup and encourage tangling. If mildew or persistent odor forms, fully dry hair and apply a diluted apple cider vinegar, rinse once, then wash again. Avoid heavy oils and waxes, which can prevent locking and attract debris and lint. Address breakage by moisturizing with light water-based sprays and protein treatments only when hair feels weak. Be patient. Full maturation commonly takes 12 to 24 months, sometimes longer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.